说百度要做第一个把所有的应用都重做和重构的公司。
Leading the charge of our AI vision is Ernie Bot. Capable of generating text, images, videos, code, and more. Released March this year, fully open in August, with Ernie 4 released in October, and hitting 100 million users in December. AI is rebuilding our work. Not just lists, but direct answers and personalized recommendations. No more unread messages piling up. AI categorizes and summarizes key points for you. No more starting from scratch, just one-click generation by AI. No more struggles with massive videos. AI locates and extracts information. No more spending days on data analysis and report writing. AI completes it in minutes. The AI era is about working smarter, not harder. AI is rebuilding our lifestyle, customizing a character to accompany village children in a unique way, assisting overseas Chinese in discovering their origins, recommending restaurants, planning your route and booking taxis, navigating complex scenarios in self-driving cars from airport to urban streets. AI is also safeguarding our lives, preventing accidents on bridges and saving lives, ensuring accuracy on medication instruction for better health, ready to respond for immediate assistance in emergencies. We are restructuring with AI, and AI is also serving us.
未来呢，由你生成，未来由我们一起生成。